thumbnail. I'm over here. Do a thumbnail.
All right, cool.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to this edition of Farm Truck Friday. Just got off the phone with my cuz Mike Humphreys. Way to go, kennels up there, north of the Red River in Missouri.
What is this?
It's a damn plastic thing.
Can you have my silverware? Go between your lap.
You know I got this box up here.
I don't know what
Lordy, lordy, lordy. Shout out to my boss, Mr. Monroe. I said your name. Not that one, you know, but no. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Another great day on the job.
Son of a biscuit.
Got a good boss. Always there for you. Bought me breakfast. Bought everybody breakfast.
How dare you?
He done messed up and feed me.
You're like a hungry cat. You come back every time you get fed.
We have Tuscany's. I got some below, something like that. We got some salad.
Stuff I don't eat hardly.
I always dropping something. It comes with rolls. I got me a makeshift table. Gargantuan over here done stole my table.
No, I didn't.
I don't think this is gonna work very well.
How did I steal your table? I ain't even using it.
Man, this is hot.
Oh, there's a puddle of grease.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
I want to pour this puddle of grease out before so bad.
At the very top of this video, those that wanna, some
me?
people ask me can they donate. You can watch the ads. There's a super thanks button with a heart on it. People that want to donate financially. What are you doing?
That was the heart of the freaking lettuce.
Don't be spitting that out there like that. Can't take the board nowhere. Fatty below. It's spicy. Got this from Tuscany's. But anyway, y'all, bang, bang. Welcome to this episode of Farm Truck Friday.
All right, go.
Show him what you got. He got chicken parmesan, but he said, I did Alfredo.
I did. You're there.
I want to take care of my boss man. The man is physically fit. I don't think he's got no body fat on him.
You got fat on you.
I got a lot of fat. He's an inspiration. It got some Jerison on it, but go on up here, boss man, and get you a bite. Bam! There you go.
Dude, that's hot.
Woo! Y'all see that? He got smacked with them noodles, and this stuff's hot, y'all.
Oh.
Boy, I didn't even tell who we're gonna shout out. Y'all know I watch and support a lot of people worldwide.
It's me and Mario.
But it's me and Mario. I want y'all to go check out Zulu Nation. He got some bullies, some nice bullies. But the man is inside. On the video, I'm going to share out the link. Listen to the man. More reassurance. If you nothing in life, if you having a hard time of making it, he'll tell you. He speaks better than I do. Young man with very good words of wisdom. You keep knocking yourself in the head, working, trying to do right, it'll come to you.
It ain't came to me yet.
You can't do something good or work hard one day. He went to mowing. I didn't even have to holler at him. That's progress.
Yeah, and you ain't mowing this year.
I ain't mowing this year. Why?
So I mow a certain way, and he don't mow the way I mow.
Oh. Go check out my brother, Zulu Nation Family Channel. Spiritual. Check him out. Links in the description box, y'all. At least watch the video, leave me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to that channel. Give him plenty of views. He will motivate you and bring goodness to your soul. I don't know what I did with my napkin.
I had some somewhere.
I don't think I like this table. I'm afraid my food's gonna fall.
Cause it ain't even a table.
It's a shoebox. Who y'all gonna check out?
Me and Mario.
Zulu Nation. Links in the description. Alright, y'all. Dinner time.
Bang bang.
This stuff good. Got a little spicy. Tyler, come on.
You're gonna stick your elbow on my foot.
Steven, come on. Get over around the phone. That's enough for everybody. Oh, Adrian, the critter man over there at work. Adrian, you gonna get you a bite? Come on, boys. Bam! There you go. Quit eating that. You said you didn't like it. It's just for camera.
I'm not gonna waste good food.
Oh, it wasn't gonna waste. I'm gonna eat that too.
Okay, whatever.
We're going hunting tonight here in a little bit. We're gonna run the woods.
We're gonna go hunt for Joe Biden.
Now this is a family channel. We're not gonna be talking about all that stuff and pedophiles and everything like that. World government.
I didn't. All I said we can go hunt for Joe Biden. And you brought all that stuff into it.
This ain't even spicy like it normally is. Come on, what the heck? Sure ain't spicy. Is that spicy?
Nope. That would be spicy.
That's crazy. They don't even taste the same. That's grilled chicken. Come on, boss man. That's grilled chicken. Ain't got no bread on it. Bam! There you go. This ain't no good. It ain't spicy. I get done with this video, I'm gonna give him a call. As much as this cost, probably cost $30-something, didn't it? Damn, 36? Yeah, they went up. It ain't worth almost $40. Especially if they can't make it spicy like it's supposed to be. We want to start cooking our own farm truck Friday video. How much time it says up there?
At the time I can't see. Move your head to the left. A little bit back. This way. My way.
Oh, don't worry about it. 10 minutes. Y'all go check out Zulu Nation, y'all. Inspirational, motivational. And got some nice looking dogs, too. We didn't even sing. Welcome to the Mukbang. Welcome to the Mukbang.
I'm gonna go to sleep.
Welcome to the Mukbang. Bang, bang. You saw little Philly steal my thing. Got my noodles, chicken enchiladas, and my burritos. Boy. I don't know where your hands been.
Mowing.
You gonna mowing them on nowhere, and I don't. Yeah, for somebody don't like that, I ain't getting you nothing else.
I don't like it like I like the chicken Alfredo, like you were supposed to give me, but you did.
You said chicken parm.
I said chicken Alfredo.
No, you didn't.
I said chicken Alfredo.
This is no good, no spicy.
Heck, this crap ain't got flavor. So I don't get it.
This is kind of bland. Don't I forgot to take a picture so I can do my Google review on them.
I don't know, I gotta take a shower before we leave go hunting.
Are you gonna try to get a date with a raccoon?
No, I got cactus on that one back.
Check out Zulu Nation, y'all. We out of here. We gotta go hunting.
Adios.